Hala, sige. Nagagawa niya sa ate niya, oh. Ya, kidig, kidig, kidig. Gusto niya yan, eh. Say good morning, people! Good morning to people! Kakagising lang ni Mia, guys. Good morning, guys! Yung buhok ko. Nagising kami ng maaga kasi dumating yung mag-fix ng washing machine. So, akala ko nga alas 12 pa siya darating. Tapos tumawag si B, sabi niya, nasa labas na yung mag-fix ng washing machine. So, ayun, gising pati si Kai. So, bumaba kami kanina. And mabuti na lang na-fix niya, guys. And maaga siya dumating kasi nga, plano namin mag-catch up ng mga friends ko. Mag-indoor playground kami. And sabi ko, hala, baka hindi ako makasama kasi nga, alas 12 pa darating yung usapan 11. So, mabuti na lang maaga siya para matapos ka ng maaga at maka-ready kami. Makaalis kami. Yes, my love. Antok pa to eh. Kaya lang, wala, nagising na siya. So, mamaya, don't push him kasi will hit his head there. So, mamaya sa car feeling ko matulog yan kasi medyo mahaba yung biyahe papunta doon. What are you doing? Mag-ready lang. Mag-ready si Mami, okay? Oh no, this is my soap. I put it there, I forgot. Hello guys! Papunta na kami doon sa indoor playground. Chuck E. Cheese yung pangalan. Nasa Joondalup. And late na kami.
Mommy, did you just say Chucky?
Yeah, Chuck E. Cheese.
What Chuck E. Cheese?
Late na kami guys kasi itong si Pochi gusto niya sumama, ayaw niya bumaba ng car, tapos every time na kukunin ko siya gusto niya akong kagatin. So ayoko naman magpakagat, 'di ba? So hinintay ko talaga siya na bumaba, tapos nilibot ko pa nga siya dito para like maisip niya na ay tapos na yung biyahe, pwede na ako bumaba, pero hindi pa din talaga siya bumaba. Very smart naman kasi talaga ng aso na to. Di pa din siya bumaba. Kinuha ko na si Kai. Pumasok na ulit kami ng bahay. Para maisip niya na, ay, okay na. Nakaalis na kami. You know? Hindi din siya bumaba ng car. Oh my God. Binigyan ko na ng treat. And ganun pa din. Pag every time na kukunin ko siya, ganun siya. Ganun siya. So, naiinis ako. Sabi ko, late na tayo. Wala na talaga. So, hinintay ko lang siya.
I still have my bag from yesterday.
Ha? Yeah.
I still have my bag.
So, hinintay ko lang siya na, bumaba. So, ngayon late na kami. Kanina pa kami ready. Ang aga nga namin eh. Kasi sabi ko 10:30, alis na kami. Tama-tama matutulog tong isa kasi nap time niya na matutulog siya sa car. Para pagdating dun, may energy siya maglaro. Guys, ano man ang nangyari? Biglang lumabas kasi si Pochi nung lumabas kami. Alam niya kasi na alis kami. So, ayun. Ay, naiinis tuloy ako. So, nandun na yung mga friends ko. Nandun na sila, guys. So, kailangan ko magmadali. First time namin pumunta sa playground na yun, guys. Kasi bago siya dito sa Perth. Malaki daw, maganda. So, yeah, we'll see.
I had so much fun. Wait, how old is Maxine?
She's, I think turning 5. She's 4. Yeah, she's turning 5 on this August. Next month.
Okay, so she's 4. How old is Andrea?
I think the same.
Same. 4? Oh yeah, she is 4.
Mm.
Okay, so I guess I'm older than them. I'm the big sis of them.
She's gonna be 5. Guys, andito na kami. Tulog si Kai. So, lagay ko siya sa pram. Tingnan nyo ang mukha. Tulog. Ready na yung ating ate Mia. Dito kami nag-park sa gilid kasi wala ng parking. Super puno man. So, andun lang yung Chuck E. Cheese. Ayan, oh. Mouse, yung logo nila. Huwag yung entrance. Nandito na kami. So, may food din sila. Saan na ba sila? Arcade and playground daw yung kinuha. Are you ready?
Is Andrea and Maxine already?
Yeah, I don't know where they are. We're here. Ang laki pala nito, guys. Tingnan nyo, ito lang yung parang dining nila, no? Like waiting for the kids area. Tapos may malaking TV dito. TV, screen. Malaking screen. Tapos merong 0 to 3 years old zone doon. Yan, kakagising lang na Kai. Talaga, sayang din natin na ano. Hi, Andrea! Si Mian doon pa guys, naglalaro sa claw machine. So, pwede ka mag-top up. Yung tinap up ko, $50 ata. Tapos may bonus. You wanna go play na? You go play? Dito na yung ating in-order na food. So you can have, yeah, lunch here. Alam, laki pala ito. Tapos apple food. Tingnan mo yung nakuha ni Mia sa claw machine. Ang dami na. Meron pang isa. Saan na yun? Yung egg. Ang laki, guys! Ano ba kakainin? Ising na siya! Ito yung ito yung nilaro niya, yung may candy-candy. Nasabi ko sa'yo. Ang dami niyang candy nakuha. Tingnan mo to si Kai. Ah! Ate! Mia! Kai wants this! May nakuha ka? Did you get something? Mauubos mo yan. Hello, Maxine! Hindi nag-work. Oh, good job, baby! Ay! That's why slowly. Slowly. One more play. There's one more play. Oh, what happened to this? Kaya nga parang alam na alam ah. Oh, good job. You wait till that thing forwards. So it will push later. Yeah, and then it will push forward, see? Yay! See, that's how you play. Good job. Amazing. Oh, wow, amazing.
Ate, good you and dinosaur.
Yay! Wow, Ate got 2! Amazing! Laro din siya. Oh! Yung reaction niya talaga. Hindi pala naka-record, guys. So, ito yung kanilang playground. Merong 0 to 3 zone there. Maganda dyan for Kai. Tapos, ito yung kanilang playground. Malaki yung slides. Tapos pwede din dun sa arcade. Meron dun banda. Oh, hi guys, here again. You have 13 points left, ate. Yay! Again. Yeah, you have 13 points left. And no more after that. Good boy! kayo. Hindi siya takot naman. Hindi. Bye-bye, Kai, bye-bye. 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 Ah. Bye-bye. Kai, bye-bye. Baby chair. Are you hungry na? Okay, baba. Chicken kids. Ano, chips.
Chippy!
Sit down, sit down, sit down. No, sit down. We're eating. Sit down. Here, here, here. Ayun. Upo ba siya di sa ano? Ay, chair? Meron. Kuha ko?
Nag-order ako mozzarella stick and traditional cheese na pizza. Tapos ito mga order na lang. Anong chicken yan?
Plain chicken.
Plain chicken. Say, ano to? Hawaiian?
Yeah. Ano? Honey cheese.
Ham and cheese. Hawaiian.
You like it?
Kain muna sila. Tingnan nyo. Cute. Si Kai, ano kakainin mo, Kai?
Next time magang. Ang lang, no? Basta hindi sa weekend. Here? Here, eat more, please. Baba natin. Uy, dun mo. So dito sa may dining nila guys, meron ding maliit na ganito. And maganda kasi solo ni Kai, oh. Kumakain pa kasi si Mami, gusto niya na maglaro. Good job! Go play! Or you can go down the slide. Slide, there. Yeah, go down the slide. Yay! Yay! Good boy! Where are you going? Go dance, dance, go dance, go! Gusto ni Mia mag-climb dyan. Mahilig kang mag-climb.
Diyan pala siya. Mia, go! siya? Ayaw niya? Napagod kakahintay. Kakahintay. May space na. Baka gusto niya. May space naman, diba? Ah, itong dalawa. Hindi pwede. Ayun, no, may space na. Hindi na siya maghintay. Parang natatakot siya. Ay! Mag-slide siya. Baka may bumaba. Go! You can do it! Good job! You don't wanna do it? You can do it! Palit siya dito. Kasi may timer yung taas. Go! Go, Ate! Go! There's a time! Faster! Faster! Go! 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 Press the green button. Cheering. Wanna do it again? Do it again. You got 29. That's 29 seconds. Go. Go, go! Almost there! Go, first! First! You can reach already. Yay! No. Bye-bye na! Bye-bye! See you next time! Bye-bye! Bye-bye to Tita! Ninang! Bye-bye! Si ate, oh. Konti na lang yung tao, guys. Kanina, super dami. Wala na masyadong tao. Ang galing na ni ate magtali ng shoelace. Good job, ate. Oh, let's go. Oh, yung isa mahaba, ate. Yeah, make sure it's the other one too. The other side. Good job. Nagsasocks din siya. Hindi man marunong maglagay, pero ginagano niya sa paa niya.
I'm super sweaty because I went wrong.
Bye-bye. Yeah, no. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye na to Maxine and Andrea.
Bye, Maxie.
Hug, hug. Ah, where's Andrea? Oh, Andrea. Bye-bye, Andrea. Yay! Bye-bye! May tara na, sabay na tayo lumabas. Let's go! Mia, come on! Wow!
I wanna open that.
Uwian time! Maganda mag-picture dyan. Picture kayong tatlo. Picture! Go, picture! Three of you! Go! Go, go, go! Sit down!
Earlier I was scared.
Go sit down. Ready? How cute. Smile! Oh, sorry. There's someone behind us. Yay! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Wait, bye-bye! 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 Nagbabay din siya. Say bye-bye! Yeah! Bye-bye! Yan guys, so Chuck E. Cheese. Ang laki. 2:30 na guys. 37. So let's go home because Mia has gymnastics today. Today is Tuesday.
What is it? Competition? I have to ask Kalisha.
Your competition is in 2 weeks, I think. Yeah, you have 2 weeks. You have 3 days to practice. Ang ingay. Yeah, you have this. Tuesday, Saturday. Oh, you have, I don't know how many days, but yeah.
I have to ask.
In a week, you have 2 days to practice. So, 2 weeks left. Alright, let's go. Medyo malayo lang to.
2 days left?
30 minutes to sa bahay, guys.
Oh my gosh! Mommy,
Yeah.
did you just say 2 days left for my competition?
Not 2 days. It's weeks, babe. Weeks.
Oh, finally, weeks.
Maganda yung weather today, oh. Did you have fun, ate?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. It was nice there actually kasi meron silang arcade tapos meron silang playground at the same time. Alam niyo naman to, addict to sa mga arcade guys. So,
Mommy, and I have lots of candy at home. So now I have more candy.
I know. So, pagdating namin doon, naglaro talaga siya sa mga yung claw machines and everything. Yung mga nilalaro, hindi niya na inano yung playground. Sana pala yung kinapagpos yung 100. 50 lang yung una kong
Mommy, and I
pinapag.
saw a girl let her mom do it, and then when her mom didn't get it, she said it's really something really bad.
What? What did he say?
She said if I had do it, then I had got it. She said that with a really bad voice. She's so good.
That's not good.
Was I good in there?
You were a really good girl and looking after your
But
brother
I
as
did
well.
it by myself, and I looked after
Yeah.
my brother. And you remember I scanned it? That's so kind. I scanned it for Kai. You were happy, right? He said yes.
Yeah. So she was really good looking after her brother.
And Andrea's mom was with Maxine, and then she said look after Kai to me, and then I looked after him.
That's good.
Open the one. That one.
Dito na si ate sa kanyang gymnastics. Yun my phone. Okay, let's go. Say bye people. See you later.
Bye.
So, naiwan na natin si ate, guys. Umuwi kami kanina after ng playground. Tapos, tulog siya. Tulog si Kai. So, nagmadali kami ni Mia. Naghang ako ng aking mga nilabhan. So, 2 load yung hinang ko. Tapos, habang si Mia, nagbibihis ng gymnastics clothes niya. So, eto, patapos na ako maghang ng second load. Nagising siya, guys. Pero konti na lang naman yung ihang ko, yung 2 pair ng socks na lang. Tapos, ayun, bumalik ulit ako sa car. And nag-drive papunta dito. So, umiiyak na siya nung on the way na kami dito. Ngayon, nagsasnacking and okay na siya. Binigyan siya ni Mia ng Pringles and yeah, okay na okay siya. Kaya lang umiyak na naman siya nung binok ko si Mia inside the gymnastics. Umiyak siya. Pagdating ko dito sa car, wala, umiiyak na naman siya. Pero ngayon okay na naman siya. Going to Coles. Yes, we're going to Coles. Kailangan namin bumili ng milk para sa hot chocolate. Gusto ko yun i-try. Yung Haze chocolate natin na binili from Haze sa Adelaide. So, yun. Gamitin natin yun. Mamaya, I'm so excited. Masarap na yun, sabi ni Ate Riz. And wala akong nakikitang Haze na shop dito. So, baka sa Adelaide lang mayroon. Hindi ko din sinerch. But, yeah. I'm excited to try. Ate Mia is really excited to try as well. So, we will try. So, we need milk. Kumakain siya nito, oh. Peach. Why are you spitting it out? You don't want it? galing na kami Kmart. Pumili kami ng storage. Ito. Tapos, nagaling na kami Kohl's. Ayan na yung mga nabili ko sa Kohl's, tsaka Asian Shop. Dito lang kami sa Wendy's. Bili ako ng drink. And nandyan lang yung Kmart sa likod. Ah! Ah! Drink. Ikaw ah. Ikaw ah. Now we have some? Oh no, it's leaking.
Talisha said, "Oh, you remembered your whole routine." And she was saying it really happy.
Very happy. Remember daw niya yung routine na niya. Kaya the coach was really happy and so proud of you.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so good. You didn't forget?
But I want Biscoff ice cream again. I'm craving for Biscoff ice cream. I always like Biscoff ice cream.
I need Biscoff ice cream.
Please, 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 please. Really, please. Really, please.
We're gonna have dinner.
But
Mommy have to
please.
cook dinner, so
Please, 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 please.
guys, sa bahay na kami. Magluluto lang ako ng dinner. So, ito yung mga nabili ko sa host kanina. Ayan. One bag lang naman. Dalawang peach iced tea. Tapos, ito atay. Gusto ko mag-adobong atay. We have this para sa Vietnamese dish. Ano siya? Pork scotch fillet na 4. So, ano ko lang to. Lutuin ko lang with onion, bawang, and bean sprout. What happened? Oh, nauntog na naman to. Did you hit your head? And then, 5 for something yung yogurt. So, bumili ako ng 5. Kinain na ni Kaido yung isa. So, empty na yung isa. Aba, may bubo. Ano? Ay, take off your shoes. Bubo, where's the bubo? Where's the bubo? Where's the bubo? Yogurt ulit? You want more yogurt? Tingnan mo yung itsura mo. Kumain na din ng Oreo sa car. Binigyan ni Ate Mia.
Go out! Or I was out!
Where's Ate Mia? Arina! Oh, watch him eating the yogurt. Go watch him. Careful, take off his shoes, Ate. Help him take off his shoes. He's still wearing shoes. Kasi meron pa ako natira sa fridge, guys. Na binili ko before kami umalis.
I'm going to make... Oh wait, I also need yogurt!
Right, tapos kiwi sa Kohl's. And sa Asian Shop,
Mommy,
bumili
can
ako
I
ng
use this yogurt to make my ice cream?
mint. You can, but it's gonna be weird because your ice cream is chocolate. Ayan, mint guys,
Yeah,
para
I'm
sa
supposed to use
kanilang
yogurt.
noodles. And then cucumber, isa lang. Kasi pili ko may natira pa akong cucumber dyan. Hindi ko alam kung naubos na or meron pa.
Okay, so we're going to
So, yan. Lalagyan natin yan sa kanilang noodle salad. And then this, yung paborito kong bangus na frozen. So, na-marinate na to siya. Hindi ko na kailangan to i-marinate. Kailangan ko lang ito. Kasi frozen pa siya. And then, ito yung noodles na gagamitin natin sa kanilang noodle salad. Bun toy. Hindi ko alam tama yan basahin. Pero, yan siya guys. So, yun lang. Hindi na talaga kayo straight ever. Hayaan nyo na. So, ito yung ating Downy sa Kohl's pala to. Tsaka, ito na lang yung kinuha ko, yung Kohl's brand na laundry liquid. Kohl's brand. Kasi mura lang to guys, $2. Tapos, mabango naman siya. Hindi kasi nakasale yung normally ko na binibili yung Comfort na laundry liquid na floral. $30 kasi yun pag hindi nakasale. So, bumibili ako nun para naka-half price siya. So, ito $2. So, $4 kasi dalawa yung binili ko. Ginamit ko na yung isa kasi naubusan na ako. And okay siya, maano siya, soapy siya, tapos mabango din siya. Tapos ito lang yung ginagamit kong Downy. Or pag hindi to naka-sale, yung binibili ko is yung fluffy, na ganito din yung kulay. And mabango naman sila. So, okay lang. And minsan, pag hindi naka-sale yung pang baby, yung para kay Kai, hindi ko na din siya binibilhan. Kasi okay na din naman siya sa liquid, laundry liquid na ganito. Yung pang adult, yung hindi sensitive. So, na-try ko na ito yung gamit ko sa kanya. And okay naman yung skin niya, guys. I just put the QV na moisturizing cream pag dry yung skin niya. And yung Kmart na binili natin is 2 container. Para yan sa pantry namin. Yung storage box. Kasi lalagay ko dyan sa ilalim banda. Kasi yung mga ginamit ko dyan na pang storage box is yung pang close din na bag. So, yeah. And ito pala yung binili ko sa fillers. And ubos na to, guys. Wala nang laman. Okay, guys. So, we have the pork scotch fillet here, bawang, and onion. So, gisa ko lang to. Tapos, andito na yung noodles. Nagbo-boil na siya. So, Vietnamese noodles to. Ito yung gamit ko. Ayan. Ang dami pa pala naming stock na naka-open. So, hindi ko muna in-open yung bago kong binili. Ay! Guys, tapos na. Ito na yung aking pork. Ayan. So, niluto ko to parang, tawag dito? Laswa? Laswa? Niluto ko siya with shrimp, corn, and carrots. Tapos, alugbati ba yan? Yung slimy na, na veggie. So, yeah. Paborito to ni Kai tsaka ni Mia. Kaya, I always cook this. And,
Sit down, sit down. Sit down, put your legs in.
tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ito na lang natira, oh. Yan. Ayan, may natira pa talaga. And ito. And ito. Hindi man lang nakain yung prawn. And watermelon. Hindi man nila naubos. Gumawa siya ng ice cream. What did you put in there? Nutella chocolate. Yung mga Easter chocolate niya, guys, buhay pa. Tingnan nyo. Ito na lang natira yung malaki. Minelt niya. Nilagay niya dyan. Tapos nilagyan niya ng Nutella.
It's so yummy.
You didn't put milk?
Yeah.
It's okay. Yan yung mga Don't wipe it on your clothes, Mia!
Nothing on my hand.
Mm.
It's just cold.
Okay. Mahilig siya mag-ganyan-ganyan. Kung ano-anong pinaggagawa. May nag-mix niya yung mga chocolate. Tapos, i-freeze niya. Tapos, may bago na siyang chocolate. Ganyan siya. Every time. All the time. What is that?
And cute ice cream.
Ah, nice.
You can put it in the fridge if you want. I'll show you where it will be.
Hello guys! Ito na yung ating milk, hot milk, and the cubes from Haze. Ito yung ginagamit ni Ate Reese. Ayan, Haze. I haven't seen this Haze chocolate here. Di ko alam kung meron kasi dito. So, bumili na ako sa Adelaide. Saan ba to siya? Ay, South Australia lang talaga siya. Made in Australia by Haze Manufacturing. 153 Green Hill Road, Parkside, South Australia. So, South Australia lang talaga siguro to be?
Hindi din kayo matuna.
Ha?
Hindi ma-deliver kay matuna.
Maybe. So, wala talaga siguro dito to sa, o baka meron. Di ko sinearch, guys. Ay, hindi masyado mainit. Kasi hindi siya natutunaw. Initin ko ulit. May marshmallow pala siya. Tingnan nyo, may bumaba. Ay, gusto dito pumasok sa kitchen. Nadamihan ko siguro ng milk, guys. Oh. Walang lasa. Walang chocolate na lasa. Nilagyan ko ulit ng ano. So, pangalawang, ay! Wait lang. Pangalawang cube na to. Ayan.
Tapos kung tamis ng egg, hindi
Ang sarap parang. Sarap mag ano, marshmallow. Kainin ng marshmallow.
mo to siya sugar. Lasa pa lang already know.
Yeah, this is the taste that I'm looking for. That's good. We have a like this. Sarap siya. Sarap yung marshmallow. Kaya got yung chocolate. Hot chocolate. Kaya hot chocolate. Careful, it's hot.
Ice cream?
No, you already have your ice cream today.
No, actually, that was not ice cream. I made that out of chocolate.
When I put the like actual like that chocolate.